Hi, it's Nadia. Today we are making keto Scottish shortbread with its wonderful buttery flavor and a bit crumbly texture. Shortbread is a basic dough with unlimited baking potentials. This keto version is a lifesaver of my keto meal prep and my keto diet. In this video, we will focus on recipe and demonstration. It's part of my Keto Shortbread 101 series. To serve a deeper curiosity about its origin from traditional recipe to keto recipe, my findings of golden ratio of keto shortbread ingredients, its benefits to my keto diet, and varieties of other keto shortbread recipes which are designed to meet keto requirements, baking convenience, and texture balance. I have other videos to cover these topics. Links will be provided in the description box. Now let's get started with the ingredients needed. 20 to 50 grams of erythritol, 100 grams of butter, 150 grams of almond flour, 25 grams of oat fiber, 25 grams of protein powder, 1 gram of xanthan gum, 1 gram of sea salt, 5 grams of vanilla extract, and 2 to several drops of liquid stevia. Begin with a preparation. Butter a 20 centimeters pie pan, about 8 inches. Then mix the ingredients. Prepare a bowl with a sieve and a spatula. Sieve almond flour, oat fiber, protein powder, and salt. Mix them all together and set aside. Cream the butter with erythritol, vanilla extract, and liquid stevia. Then add xanthan gum in the bowl. Either separate it into several batches or put all at once. Give it a good mix with a whisk or a spatula. It might look a bit dry in the first beginning, but eventually it will form a dough. Put the dough into the pan. Use spatula or simply your hands to press it down nicely and evenly. I use a ruler and a knife to pre-cut the shortbread into 8 equal portions. Start the very slight line drawing and finish the actual cut with knife back. Then have it chilled in the fridge for at least 30 minutes up to a day to be ready for decorations. To get its distinguishing Scottish shortbread look, first I use my measuring spoon to press the edge. Use your finger will also do the trick. Then use a skewer stick or something sharp to duck little holes. It's not only decorations, but also help to even the heat during the baking process. After decorations, I use the knife back to make sure the final cut is nice and clean. Then I put it back to the fridge to chill again for 30 minutes before baking. At the same time, preheat oven to 150 degrees Celsius, about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It is crucial to low heat bake this shortbread for 37 to 42 minutes or longer, depends on your oven setting. And to keep its light and pale look, I have a parchment paper covered on the top of the pan and put the pan into the oven. Let the heat do the magic. When baked for 35 minutes, check its color to decide if longer time needed or not. When the color turns slightly golden, it's done baking. Take it out and use a cooling rack to cool and let it set. Traditionally, it's time to cut the shortbread if this shortbread made by wheat flour. However, it's a keto version, a bit more delicate texture. I found it's best to pre-cut and get a very beautiful product. Enjoy it when it's completely cooled down. It's also a beautiful gift to others. I also enjoy these keto shortbread cookies with chocolate flavor or matcha flavor. It's pretty fancy, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed this video and try the recipe. As always, you are very cherished and blessed. Thank you for your watching and considering to subscribe. I will see you next time. Take care.